Hi, everybody. Andy Gregorio here with a quick weather update on some developments that are taking place along the eastern seaboard. The area of low pressure that I've been talking about for the past couple of days on some of my Facebook posts has now become a organized tropical system, and it is now Tropical Storm Faye with winds of 45 miles per hour, especially off to the east and southeast of the center. That's where the strongest winds are. Faye is currently moving to the north at about 7 miles per hour and will continue at this forward speed for the next 12 hours or so. It could strengthen slightly as it's still over the warmer waters of the Gulf Stream, but as it continues to move north during tomorrow into Saturday, it will be moving over cooler waters and is expected to gradually weaken. Also, too, it's expected to make some interaction or landfalling along the mid-Atlantic coast and probably getting very close to the South Jersey coast by tomorrow afternoon, Friday afternoon, and then up around the White Plains, Poughkeepsie area by early Saturday morning, 2 a.m., as it's forecast to continue to move in a general north-northeasterly direction right up along the eastern seaboard. As far as rainfall goes, that'll be the big producer or the big weather maker with this system. The winds won't be all that strong, but we will be looking at, in general, a 1 to 2 inch rainfall across east central New York and most of western New England, with some local 2 to 4 inch amounts across parts of the southern Adirondacks, also up across the Catskills, the Litchfield Hills, up through the Berkshires into the southern Greens, and there could even be some heavier amounts, some isolated heavier amounts in excess of 4 inches, especially where stronger thunderstorms occur, resulting in downpours. Speaking of thunderstorms, some of the storms tomorrow could produce maybe a brief spin-up tornado, especially across coastal New England, Long Island, the New York City metropolitan area, and the lower Hudson Valley. We are looking at, generally with this system, the heaviest of rainfall across the mid-Atlantic states up through New Jersey into eastern New York State. Rainfall heavy enough that there may be some possible flooding concerns, flash flooding concerns, but in general, the system should be a fairly fast-moving system as it starts to near the New York City area along late tomorrow night, early Saturday morning. And in addition, with continued interaction with the land, it will likely weaken. There is the possibility again for some flash flooding, but again, too, it's been pretty dry around these parts, so the rainfall could prove to be beneficial.